class 220 means 90 internal relays. Okay, internal relays 601 and 602. See, internal relays means it is imaginary bit. See, any input or output in a PLC is called as relay. Input contact is called as, see, PB1, PB2. These things are called as input relays. Contacts are input relays and contactors are output relays. Now, internal relays means for your own purpose, you are putting an extra variable. Suppose say you have something, say x as 2 and y as 3 as inputs. You have z as output. Okay, but you will use some number for the operation, say m or n or t. Okay, you will say x into y is equal to t1, x plus y is equal to t2 or m2. So, okay, we can take m here. Okay, here we have taken internal relay as IR1. Some have M1, M. Some say, some give number alphabet M. Okay, so you can say X, Y, and M. Okay, when both X and Y are on, M will be on. Okay, next, when Y will be on, okay, sorry, X and Y will be on, this also will be on, then this will be on, like that. Suppose it is like this. Say, you have, say, identity card, you have uniform, then you can enter class. Okay, now once you enter into the class, suppose you have all the instruments, say you can work, so like that. So suppose say these two appear at many places, instead of writing these two again and again and again, you can just use this for other purpose. That is what we had done here. That is what we had done here. See, M. M is used here, 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 here. That is the advantage of programming. One output can be used for reading at many places, one, two, three places. That is the advantage of internal relay. In a relay logic, hardwire uh, circuits where there is no programming, it is not possible to do all these things. You can, at one or two places you can use the same contact, you will have duplicate same. Here you can use this at any number of times, in any number of rungs you can use this. See, this is called as rung or circuit or network. All of three words can be used. So that is advantage of internal relay. See, for an input condition, you have reflection at the input, and that value is stored in the memory. As according to the program, output bits are stored in the output table. Means memory only, you have separate table. Like in the kitchen, you have cooking vessel kept on gas stove. Then you have kept it on dining table. Dining table is also a place. Gas stove is also a place. Similarly, everything is nothing but place. When you say a house, everything is part of that. So similarly, when you say memory, it is RAM or ROM. But in RAM, you have user memory and data memory. Like when you say in house, you have kitchen, bathroom, storeroom, etc. In bathroom, you will have buckets. It is also memory or space only. So similarly, when you say input is stored, we say input is stored in the input table or input register. Condition of input means switch here. Okay, this side is stored in input bit. That is read here according to this logic. Positive logic or negative logic means normally opened or normally closed. Okay, details of this will be explained later, or you can see in the description box the PLC basics. If I say the basics in detail, you will get bored. That is why I have explained the basics only to the required extent, and then I have started the programming aspects. Okay, so internal relay means an imaginary number. Okay, totally. You are using that for other circuits so that you can compute easily. Suppose say you have one person representing many things. So now, for example, say lecturer is there. Okay, principal is there. Principal has to handle 800 students. See, 800 students. Inputs will be 800,000 students in a college. Now, what does principal do is he has lecturers and staff. They are like internal relays. They have neither contact with output nor with the input. Okay, they are internal. Any person coming from outside will meet principal, not lecturer. Lecturer has interaction only with students or the principal. Okay, so principal can handle all these with the help of lecturer. Say this is chemical department lecturer, mechanical department lecturer, whatever it is. So internal relays help the output to be written in simple network forms. Otherwise, programming will be a little bit difficult, tedious process. Right.